Come here, B. Come here, B.
What movie is this? Oh, don't change it. It's a new movie. I can't remember the name of it.
It would say it right there.
Oh, this is different. Meteor shower.
Meteor shower, season piece of action. It's a piece of action.
Come here, B.
And then it happened. Meteor shower.
Come here, B. Toot, 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 toot. Penelope. B. Treat. Treat. Come here. Come here. Come here, treat.
When stuff falls from the sky, from space.
Come here, treat. Treat, treat, treat.
Is it sort of like acid?
Yeah, well, fire.
Come here. I got some treats. There you go. Good girl. Come here. Come here. I got you some treats. There you go. Good girl.
I need a big dog so I can tie it to the collar and go run around and
You
try
could ride my dog as a horse.
Hey, Bea, call this one.
Penelope! I want to show you something. This Penelope will go crazy. Penelope!